Garmin is back, and this time, it looks like they're about to shake up the entire smartwatch industry. The upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 Pro isn't just another upgrade. It could be the most advanced outdoor smartwatch ever made. We're talking about a rumored micro-LED display that promises the brightest, clearest screen we've ever seen on a watch, even under harsh sunlight. And if that wasn't enough, leaks suggest a brand new SOS on your wrist feature, a game-changing safety tool that could literally save lives in extreme conditions. This is way beyond fitness tracking. This is Garmin's vision of the ultimate survival companion. So in today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Fenix 8 Pro. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Its major upgrades, expected features, possible release date, and why this smartwatch could change the game for athletes, adventurers, and everyday users alike. Garmin has built a reputation over the years as the gold standard for outdoor athletes, adventurers, and explorers. Its Fenix lineup has always been considered the crown jewel in Garmin's smartwatch family, combining rugged durability, precise GPS performance, advanced health metrics, and unmatched battery life. In 2025, anticipation is reaching new heights with the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a device that is already sparking massive interest across the tech and fitness community. What makes this year's release even more exciting is the rumored integration of micro-LED display technology, something that could make the Fenix 8 Pro the brightest and most energy-efficient smartwatch ever built. Add to that the whispers of an emergency SOS feature built directly into the watch, and suddenly, Garmin's new flagship looks like a device that could save lives while delivering the best performance in extreme conditions. The Fenix series has always represented Garmin's relentless pursuit of perfection in outdoor wearables. From the early Fenix models that brought durable navigation and GPS tools to explorers, to the Fenix 5 that gained popularity among endurance athletes, to the Fenix 6 that redefined multi-sport smartwatches, every generation has raised the bar. The Fenix 7 Pro, launched in 2023, pushed innovation further by introducing solar charging displays, LED flashlights built into the watch body, upgraded mapping, and enhanced heart rate sensors. It was a true powerhouse that appealed to hikers, runners, triathletes, mountaineers, and anyone who demanded maximum performance in challenging environments. But as the competition in the smartwatch world has intensified, with Apple, Samsung, Suunto, Polar, and Coros introducing more advanced models, Garmin knows it has to keep pushing boundaries. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to do just that, and the rumored upgrades could make it one of the most advanced smartwatches not only in Garmin's history but in the entire wearable market. The inclusion of micro-LED alone would be a game-changer. Unlike traditional OLED or LCD panels, micro-LED delivers breathtaking brightness, better contrast, improved energy efficiency, and longer panel life. For outdoor athletes, climbers, and adventurers who need their displays to stay visible under direct sunlight, this could be the upgrade they've been waiting for. Imagine running across desert landscapes or skiing on snowy mountain peaks, and still having a crystal-clear view of your stats with zero glare. That's the kind of leap micro-LED promises to deliver. Yet, the Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be more than just about visibility. The reported SOS on your wrist feature could be a literal lifesaver. Garmin already has a legacy of including safety features such as incident detection and live track, but integrating a built-in emergency SOS system that works even with